Hello everyone and welcome back to the last video for this month's releases. My name is Neta. I design and source from the factory in China and provide premium diamond painting kits with my own artwork, and usually I offer 4 new designs every month. Now that might change in the future. A lot of things can change in the future. I can't foresee it, but for now, this is the 4th kit. You can go back to my channel if you want to see the other 3 that will be released tomorrow, Sunday at 8 AM Eastern European Time, along with a very nice discount we have prepared for 3 days just to celebrate the new release. And it's store-wide, not only for the new releases. And let's get to it. All our kits, if you haven't seen any of my videos before, come both in round and square drills. The square diamonds are resin and the round are grade A acrylic. We keep the dimensions the same, but since the round kit has less drills, there might be some small differences considering the count of the colors, the specials, but overall you don't even know that you will not see the difference because we make sure that the quality is the same in both kits. Now let's get to it. I always start from the square kit and we just have a very quick glance at the round, so that's what I'm going to do this time too. I don't know why. Maybe because usually the square kit has more, probably has more colors. As I said, this is 60 by 80 is the largest kit of this release, and not only that, but I think it is the prettiest. So here she is, our very own Queen of the Tides. Where is it? There. Let me sunlight. Okay, we will see a bigger image of her. But yes, it's not exactly a mermaid. For those of you, you know the mermaids, but I don't know many of you. Damn, that's heavy. Know the Nereids. Nereids were the daughters of god of sea Nereus, which reigned before Poseidon. And he had his daughters were sea nymphs, pretty much like the mermaids. We have the basic toolkit, I will not go through that. On the canvas we have the logo on the top, the schematic and a thumbnail on both sides of the canvas with the legend of the colors and the symbols. It's very soft lint and very thick. It will lie flat instantly if you just let it rest for a couple of minutes. Now this is huge, I don't know how I will fit it in the camera, but we will find a way. Now, these are a lot of drills. Of course it has a lot of blues and greens. And there we are, we will see them, we will have a close look at them. You get with that and legend on paper. If you want to work with the serial numbers, you can have the legend by your side to find out which a symbol corresponds to which serial number. And also you get the sticker sheet with pre-cut stickers labels for your containers or your baggies. It is already kitted up in baggies, so you don't have to kit up if you don't want to. You can work straight from it. Here is a better image. This is also a sticker. You can cut it all around and have it in your logbook. And let me shine some light here. And here is the Queen of the Tides. Okay, colors, 75 colors, including 5 ABs and 5 Cupid dust. If you are new to diamond painting, these are special drills. What makes them more special is that they have, other than the standard coloring on them, the AB drills, that's universal among all companies, are the drills that have a very thin layer of iridescent coating that imitates the northern lights. That's why they are called also AB, from Aurora Borealis. And the Cupid dust I mentioned, you will hear many names for those because the most popular name is trademarked and we can't use it, so we have to be creative. And they have mica powder dust or very thin glitter on top of them, giving them a more subtle than the AB shimmer, but nevertheless it's more shiny and sparkly than the normal drill. We will have a closer look on them later, but let me try and flip this over. That's why I was doing them on the floor, because I didn't have such issues. But there she is, our very own Queen of Tides, Queen of the Tides. In half of her glory, I will have her face showing because that's the better part, I think, of it, and her flowing hair. And my friend Jenna from Queen of Diamonds, we will have the unboxing of this kit soon in her channel, so if you want to see it in more details, you can follow her. I will add the link in on her channel. If you don't know her yet, you should follow her. She's an amazing woman and makes very nice videos, and it's very good at what she's doing. And she will have this in her channel as a preview, so stay tuned on her channel. The box is held hostage in the customs at the moment, so yeah, might take a few days, but you got a quick look. Let's get another good look at the color palette. Beautiful pinks, blues, greens, greys. That's more this way. I think this will be very fun to work on. It's not very confetti heavy, as most of my artwork is, to capture all the details. It has a large amount of color blocking and should go pretty fast from what I see it now. Of course, here on her body with the scales it will be a little confetti heavier, but it's not the very confetti heavy kits I usually have in my store. So yeah, should go well. Okay, until next time, thank you so much for watching, thank you for being here, thank you for supporting me, both in my store and in my small channel. I will see you again very soon with the week 30 of the Whip Olympics, so hit the bell button hit that bell button so you will not miss that video. Until next time, I hope you all are well. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to shine. Bye!